Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte, the Philippines. Day 9, I think it's day 9 of renovations. And we're starting to work on the living room ceiling. So some of these ceiling panels have got some water damage, so we're taking those out. Plus, they're going to add a tray ceiling like we have in here and in here. Just over the living room area. It's not going to extend to the kitchen, the dining area. So they're working on that. Going to try to get that done as much as they can today. And then in this bedroom, they stopped here last night on the floor tile, and they're starting up again today. So they should finish that in a couple of hours. No, I hit the wrong button. So they should finish this in a couple of hours probably. And it's looking really good. And they're going to do some outside work today, I think, working on some gutters. Or maybe that's tomorrow. Because tomorrow, they're not going to have access to power tools. No power tools tomorrow. Just some of the kids playing on their phones. Because there's going to be a regional power outage for 11 hours. About 3 cities involved. It's not just a little brownout. And again, today our special guest star worker is Jasmine. Hello, Jasmine. You're so sweet. Okay. And Marcel is taking good care of Jasmine. Say hello, Marcel.
Hello.
Along with Ate Alice, she's cooking again and taking care of the baby. Everybody loves to take care of the baby because Jasmine is a delight. She's so sweet. She's 1 month old. So we have also, well, no, they're not working on the wall today. Just the inside. Okay, and there's Ate Antonieta, my sister-in-law. And she's picking up trash, it looks like. What else we got going on here? So this is our laundry. We hang our laundry up outside. No dryer. We don't have a washer yet still. But we're going to buy one for the house. So you can see our wall now. Looking like it's taking shape. And they'll probably finish that this weekend. Maybe by Monday. I think by Monday most things will be finished. And what else do we have? Still have the mango tree. We're going to get rid of the mango tree because of the concrete cracking. Put something in its place, maybe something just potted trees. Starting to look good, looking better. And here's Merlinda. Say hello, Melinda. And this is the floor tile cement. They mix it the same way. It's not as wet. It's almost dry, but not dry, of course. But it's more crumbly. We'll go over here and make a lot of noise with the tile cutter. Hey, earplug? Yeah, okay. So this is some of the transportation from the guys. We got a Honda TMX here. One of the guys rides that. We got a SkyGo 175. And I'm not sure what this one is. This is Rico's. He's been leaving it here. We're not using it. While he drives the multi-cab home. He's been taking the work crew back and forth with the multi-cabs. So still a mess, but it's starting to take shape here. That the house in Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. So later today, the air conditioning will be installed. Oh, I guess this morning. Thought they might be here already. So those two boxes there, those two boxes have our air conditioning unit, and that's ready to install outside and inside. All right, Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Please like, subscribe to my channel, please, and hit the notification bell, and it will let you know when I post a new video. And I'm going to be posting a lot of videos about my life in the Philippines. Thank you. Thank you.